It's the dawn, the start of the new day. I'm Renzo Rossato.
And I'm Gaston Rossato, and today we're driving the 2016 Rolls-Royce Drophead. But you never see one like this. I like to joke around. I tell people, yep, his wife got upset. This is not for the faint of heart. Nope. This is a one-off custom artwork
Absolutely.
by Artlanta, local Miami artist. We're about to go for a drive. Let's get some looks. Let's see what kind of reactions we can get on the road.
I think we're going to turn a lot of heads. Let's go.
Unbelievable. This is $416,000 brand new.
Wow. It feels like it too.
I need to close the door. I forgot.
This 2016 Dawn with a 38,000 mile example, beautiful combination with the citrus orange over the dark blue and wood trim. If you love the car, you already know, but maybe you want to tone it down a bit.
And you can easily tone it down by removing the gray wrap and revealing the original factory dark navy blue with the contrast of the citrus orange. The car truly is beautiful. But this right here is an opportunity because it is a one-off renowned artwork by Artlanta. He came by, he visited us, he reunited with the car after so many years, he loved it. And the fact is, when the car arrived to us, I didn't know if I could sell this car. I wasn't sure if I wanted to sell this car. But Alex, the owner of the car, such a passionate individual, a true car enthusiast. He has other cars, and he tells you the story of this, and he really transmits what it's all about. And I fell in love with his story. And we're being strategic. I can't think of a better platform than Bring a Trailer Auctions to put this for sale, have the world see it, because I know there's at least one other guy out there that just has to have it.
Absolutely.
And what a buy with having the original sticker at where it was.
And mention we have the original
being able,
wheels.
we can go back to the original car if we want to, because we also have the original wheels. So thank you guys. We'll see you soon. And let's play a game. Where's this car gonna end up going ultimately?
It's hard to say with the $460,000 window sticker, but it's definitely worth it.